Okay, today I'm going over a market recap. So here I was pretty neutral coming into the day, as in we did have um, a lot of SMTs on ES. Now that we have taken it out, we did have data lows around right here, or was it right here actually? Sorry, and yeah, coming into market open, I uh, I noticed that we had an hourly that we were just kind of cruising in by for a while. So after this had gotten taken out, we were respecting it quite off, like quite how do I say it pretty strong, respecting it pretty strong, strong. But anyway, I seen that scaled down. Notice how we were chopping during that. I scaled down to the 1 minute because the fucking 3 minute and 5 minute looked kind of dog shit. I uh I did enter on this closure on the 1 minute, scaled down to the 30 second. I should have just stopped at that trade, but I obviously didn't, and it was um kind of bullshit because we just kind of started consolidating throughout the day. This was around what 9:13, 9:12. Yeah, I could not get break even on any of these trades. Entered off a CISD on this one on 32nd. Um, but that's pretty much it. Came into the market pretty neutral until I saw reactions off that 1 hour low. Notice how this consolidation throughout, the time frames. 15 minute, no, I'm sorry, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, and obviously 30 second. And as you can see, the 50 minutes kind of, what I mean, kind of whatever. But we were respecting that 1 hour for a while. Unfortunate for today though. Our account balance is at 800, as you can see. We were around 3,500, 500 away from a payout, down it's 2 bands, I think. Um, damn near 2 bands, 2 bands actually, 2 bands and some change. You know, I once I got down to this point, because I've been to this point before, as we can see here, 868, yeah, around the same, 880. Since I am no longer locked out, changing the rows to 200, so basically one trade, one solid trade. Actually, let's go 300. Now 200 is good. 200, one solid trade, good risk to reward ratio. Um, are we still locked out? What can I say? Lockout settings. There it is. I guess it saved automatically. Like you see that. Yeah, 200 scaling down to 4 to 3 on M and Q. And the S&P stays at 4. We were doing around 5 or 6. Clearly, mentally, I feel like it's taking a toll on me. That's why I was so eager to enter around here. But at the same time, we did have, all these confluences, bro. That's crazy. I cannot get break even here. I think I moved break even pretty early on this one, just because we were so close to these. That like if we kind of disrespected everything here, or not disrespect, but I just felt like I was gonna get caught out on a stop loss. My stop losses aren't really that big. It's kind of like around 200 to like $300, and from what I've been doing, this is like too much for my account or too much for my risk. I do target these, obviously these lows, and I feel like that's kind of cooking me. I need to figure out how to risk that much. I think it's like 2 contracts for all of this, but then this would be only like a band, which I probably shouldn't be worried about that. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I would have put it above these eyes, man. Fuck. I need to focus on my stop loss because usually for my stop losses, I'm pretty safe with my stop losses. But since I put heavy on contracts, I usually put them above the fair value gaps or above some highs. I think I put the stop loss above a 30-second high, which probably wasn't pretty smart. Or either this 1 minute high. I'm sorry, I don't really remember. But, I'm probably above these highs. Probably shouldn't have done that. Put it above these highs right here. Sorry, I'm saying highs when I mean to say fair value gaps. But trade recaps is pretty much done. Traded off this inverse, and then we obviously had almost CISD on here. No, we did have CISD. I'm sorry, and we just kind of chopped, which I should have put my stop loss above these protected highs. Yeah, I think I actually just I might start trading just 2 contracts, but at the same time, like that is bonkers, man. I think I just need to focus on my entry. Like, see if we entered off of the CISD right here, would have had a pretty good risk reward, but we would have been stopped out. I would have targeted these lows because there was no way we weren't taking down these lows, and we obviously did off some war news in 30 seconds. Damn near fucking dumped. Hello, bro. It's crazy. Would have got stopped out, break even, and then obviously as you can see this Drake of a candle. But yeah, I think I just need to work on my risk to reward ratio. Might have to size. We'll have to size down to either 2 or 3 contracts. I'm guessing 3 contracts on ES, 2 contracts on NQ, just to build the account. But man, oh man, it's gonna take a while to go back to 3,500. But I'd rather restart from 800 on a funded than 0 on a combine. You know what I mean? So yeah, we'll see this trade recap. I'll see you on the next trade recap on Monday. I work tomorrow. Yep. But that being said, I'll see you guys.